Well, good morning, guys. We're starting our day off here with another surprise. Fuel went up again. So, I think we're up to, it's like 30 cents more expensive here at the AT&T on Sharpsburg Pike in Hagerstown than it was last week when I was here. So we're going to use mud flap here, and I'm headed up towards Bedford, PA, and the Pilot off in Breezewood is, I just looked at my RTS card, is $667. Unbelievable. It's $493 here at this AT&T. I think it's $5 even, and then you get 7 cents off with mud flap, which I haven't been really getting good mud flap discounts here with the fluctuation of fuel, but I guess anything helps. So today we're picking up an in-op Corvette, spare motor for that. We're picking up something I said I would never do again. I'm picking up a motorcycle. It's wrecked. It's from Copart in Chambersburg, headed down to Florida. It's going to pay for fuel for the whole way down, so it's already wrecked. It's pretty banged up, and it's got like the front where like the headlight and stuff is already off, like broke off of it when the guy wrecked it. It's gonna be super easy to strap, and so I saw it on Central, had the guy send me the lot number on it so I could check it out, and agreed to bring it down for him. It's a bike. I think it's getting exported, but we're sitting in line here to get fuel, in this tumbleweed truck's pulling in behind us. Anyways, let's see if this guy will actually pick a lane and to get fuel, and then we're gonna get some fuel and head up the road. I mean, sometimes when this place is a cluster, looks like we're only filling up the aux tank. So I'm here to pick up this Corvette, and I'm pretty sure I gave the guy like an hour notice because they told me it needed to be picked up today. That's what the broker told me. I don't know if you can hear that in the background. I'm pretty sure he's polishing it now. If I'm right, he's in there with a buffer over top of what I think to look like the 67-ish Corvette. So either he didn't know I was coming, or because he finally got back to me and he's like, when will you be here? I'm like, I'm 15 minutes away now. And the nice part is there was supposed to be a motor that went with this, but there's not one going with it anymore, so I don't have to worry about that. Nope. Off to Florida she goes. She packed tight. Got the winch pulled out. Well, a couple extra side pipes instead of the motor. He fit everything in the car for me. So got the winch on it, a front strap over there, crawl in, put a strap here. We got 2 on the back, and this car's tucked in, and we're ready to go pick up a bike and a BMW. Feels good to be back where I used to live. Look at this. Only truck here. Except for this guy just pulled in, but I'm already in a virtual queue, and all I'm getting is a bike, so we'll sling it out here, and then excuse me, I'll probably just roll down the rear gate and then just roll it up in there and put it sideways in between what 2 cars I'm going to be hauling down to Florida.
Well, I left Chattanooga, boy, had $1 and a dime. Headed out for Nashville on the Hard Rock Line. I'm working on that old steamboat and learned to rob and steal. When my feet had touched dry land, how happy I did feel. Been saving every penny for to make up through the fall. Working for that dollar, but it never adds up at all. But coming around the riverbank, heard the old train whistle sing. The very next thing you hear from me, I've been tied to a ball and chain. Well, come this time tomorrow, reckon I don't know where I'll be. But if it wasn't for that old sheriff, I'd be back in Tennessee, playing cards and crap games, not looking for the score. And if I ever get back home again, I'll never roam no more. Gather round, you good time boys, listen to my song. May not know better, but I know you know right from wrong. Buy yourself a postcard so you can see the lights of town. Find yourself a country girl, keep quiet and settle down.
Well, stop number 2 done. That was fun pushing it in. You might be able to see, I got my camera right there. Might be able to see it. The front tire is rubbing, so it's hard to even push this thing. I couldn't get it moving at first, but pushed it up in here, got it turned sideways myself. Got 2 straps on the front, this one on the rear. Like that. That's me shaking it as hard as I can with one hand. That bike ain't going nowhere. So, next stop for this bike, Miami, Florida. Well, I thoroughly enjoy picking up in cities because there's never anywhere to park. So we're just gonna, got our 4-ways on and we're gonna hoof it up to the dealership, which is right here, but I'm hoping it's on their collision centers here and then their new dealers over here. It should be a 2023 BMW we're getting, and I have the salesperson's name, so hopefully it goes smooth. So I'm not a big BMW guy, but I will say this interior is beautiful. I really like the red. It says X5M. Sounds good. Yeah, we don't need to be listening to all that. Nice dash. Don't know exactly how many miles are on it. Could figure out how to scroll through there, but brand new car. Let's get it down to Naples, Florida. So I just looked at the invoice out the door. $140,000 for this BMW. Shoo! Let's get this thing in the trailer and get her strapped down. You know, sometimes you just gotta throw your boots out and crawl out the hatch. Because this bike is here, we can't pull up to that door. So, pretty sure I'm in the back, but I'm gonna open the hatch with the key, crawl out and make sure, and then come back in that way. $147,000, and I can't even get the rear hatch to close. Nice. Oh, alrighty. She's in there. These things are kind of wide. Got about that much room on each side. Got that room between the bike. Bike didn't move at all. Corvette up there. Let's go to Florida.